Hello, I would like to thank the Board of Directors for taking time out of their day to hear our business proposition. I'm Derek Gilbo. I'm here with Nipun, Chung, and Vina, and we are Team F. So today I'm going to be covering our ERP simulation strategy. To get us started, we're going to cover the business strategy, the performance metrics that we used, and our proposal to the board, and then finally to close this off, we're going to talk about the lessons learned. I would like to hand it over to Chung to talk about the business strategy.
This is our business strategy. Our strategy was low cost with high volume production, and we chose customer intimacy as our primary value principle. We based on this chart to see which products customers bought most, and we chose the right mix of products for next round. So we could decide the targeted products for each round to meet customer intimacy. For example, at the end round 5, a number of customers for 500 nut, 1 kilogram blueberry and 1 kilogram nut were the highest. Thus, we did produce these higher selling products as our main products. Moreover, we always produced 5 products for each route to keep production run short. Then, this trust creating from Lumira supported us to see the price of other teams in real time. We compared our price to that of our top competitors, and trend price that would be lower than the price of our competitors during the route. So our price was more affordable than the price of our competitors. Marketing was also a major focus. We based on sales report to analyze the reasons where our products were sold most. So we focused on these reasons to maximize profits. To achieve high volume production, we invested in long-term access, including decrease in setup time and increase in production capacity. Moreover, we always had inventory to ensure constant production throughout each route. Finally, we paid back more than 2 million loan to reduce interest and fixed cost.
I am Veena and I would like to discuss more on the KPIs and product details. So, we have focused on the production of high selling products based on our analysis of market scenarios. We have produced 1 kg blueberry, 1 kg raisin, 500 grams nut, 1 kg original, and 1 kg nut muesli. We have not changed the recipe for any of these products, and at the end of last round, we had a sufficient stock to be in business. Following the KPI market share, we had targeted 11% market share and achieved an overall 11.73% at the end of simulation game. KPI product efficiency. Our production strategy has been efficient and we had achieved close to 90% of efficiency during round 4. KPI contribution margin. So contribution margin is also known to be dollar count per unit. Our contribution margin has decreased from 89% to 57% and we would like to improve this contribution margin in future. Nipun would be taking up and talk more about performance metrics.
Hi, this is Nipun and I'll be talking about the performance metrics for Team F. As such, we had a daily production capacity of 26,536 units. We also had a setup time of 5 hours. At the end of the simulation game, we had a loan balance of 7,040,605. Also, we had a cash balance of with a worth of 3,799,000 approximately. Further, I'll be talking about the cumulative net income. We have grown as an organization and our cumulative net income has always been in a top 3 position throughout the ERP simulation game. As such, we are requesting from the board to give us a investment of 11 million euros based on our consistent performance throughout the ERP simulation game. With this investment, we would increase our production capacity and decrease setup time further so that we have a sufficient safety stock. We would also increase our marketing so that we can further compete with our competitors in the areas we were lacking. Next, I'll be talking about the lessons learned. One of the primary things that we have learned was that we should have adequately used the cash that was available to us. This cash could have been used to increase efficiency and decrease the loan payment. Further, we must also produce enough goods to maintain a safety stock, and we should never be out of stock during the ERP simulation game. We must also utilize tools like Lumira to get a real-time view of the competitor's process. We would also like to automate the marketing process with the usage of the VB script. As such, this whole ERP simulation game has been has given us a very good experience knowing about the business process related to manufacturing and the SAP as a software. We thank you so much